Did you know that certain teas can help shrink an enlarged prostate? Yes, you heard it right. The soothing brew we all love is packed with antioxidants that work wonders for overall health, including that of the prostate. Prostate health is of utmost importance, especially considering the prevalence of prostate issues in men. Interestingly, certain types of tea have the power to combat these issues, thanks to their unique properties. So let's dive in and discover the top 6 super teas that can help to shrink an enlarged prostate. First on our list is green tea, a well-known health elixir. It's packed with powerful antioxidants called catechins that have been shown to limit the growth of prostate cancer cells. In fact, just a few cups of green tea a day can help maintain prostate health. This is because the catechins in green tea not only target cancer cells, but also promote overall well-being. So the next time you brew a cup, remember it's not just a tea, it's a cup of health. Next up, we have the vibrant hibiscus tea. This tropical infusion is more than just a pretty ruby red brew. It's packed with potent anti-inflammatory properties that can be a boon for an enlarged prostate. The compounds in hibiscus tea work to reduce inflammation and consequently the size of the prostate. So not only does this tea offer a delightful tangy flavor, it also serves as a helpful ally in maintaining your prostate health. Hibiscus tea, a tropical delight that's not only tasty but also beneficial for your prostate health. Standing at number 3, we have turmeric tea, a golden wonder. This vibrant brew gets its color and its magic from curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. Curcumin is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that are instrumental in maintaining prostate health. It's like a dedicated bodyguard, always on the lookout to protect your body from potential threats. So next time you steep a cup of this golden tea, remember, you're not just sipping on a warm beverage, you're fortifying your health. Turmeric tea, a golden beverage with a wealth of health benefits. At number 4, we have a less-known but highly effective tea, saw Palmetto Tea. This tea is steeped in tradition, often used for urinary symptoms related to an enlarged prostate gland. The berries of the saw palmetto plant have been brewed into a tea that has been beneficial for centuries. Moreover, modern studies affirm its effectiveness, showing a significant improvement in those symptoms. So next time you're brewing a cup, remember the saw palmetto tea, a hidden gem in the world of health teas. Fifth on the list is stinging nettle tea, a traditional remedy for many ailments. This prickly plant packs a potent punch when it comes to prostate health. Stinging nettle can help reduce prostate size and alleviate associated symptoms. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that have anti-inflammatory and anti-proliferative properties, making it an effective choice for shrinking an enlarged prostate. Often, it's used in combination with other herbs like saw palmetto for maximum benefit. Stinging nettle tea, a prickly plant with a smooth benefit. Last but not least, we have the delicate and subtle white tea. This is not just a graceful sip, but a powerhouse of health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, white tea fights off free radicals, contributing to overall health, including that of the prostate. Its low caffeine content means you can enjoy it without the jittery side effects. Its taste, as delicate as its name suggests, offering a light, slightly sweet flavor. White tea, a delicate brew for your robust health. There you have it, 6 super teas that can help shrink an enlarged prostate. We've explored the healing capabilities of green, hibiscus, turmeric, saw palmetto, stinging nettle, and white teas. Each of these teas offers unique benefits, contributing to a healthier prostate and overall well-being. But remember, these teas are part of a bigger picture. A balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle are the keys to maintaining optimal health. Remember, good health starts with good habits. So why not start with a cup of tea?